Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make CapCut comparison video. To make a CapCut comparison video, follow these steps. Create a new project. Open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Import the videos or images you want to compare. Then hit Add. Place clips on the timeline. Arrange the two videos or images on a timeline. Make sure they are trimmed and aligned properly for comparison. Add a split screen effect. Tap on Overlay, then tap on Add Overlay. Then add the second video or image as an overlay. Resize and reposition both clips to fit side by side, or split the screen as needed. Then match the duration of the video by adjusting its edges to trim it. Adjust position and scale. Choose the overlaid picture or video and adjust their sizes and positions so both clips are visible simultaneously. Use the pinch to zoom gesture to resize them if needed. Add text or labels. Tap Text, tap Add Text, and add labels like before and after to clarify the comparison. Customize the font, color, and animation for better visibility. Use filters or effects. Apply different filters or effects to each video if you want to highlight specific difference. Preview the video. Play the video to ensure the comparison is clear and well aligned. Make final adjustments to timing, positioning, or text. Export your video. Tap the export button to save the video to your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.